Timbo keni ma KCB Queens ma volleyball oikore nuoyo lwet gi Okombe ma volleyball e kinde magibiro rakore kod Kenya Prisons e tuke mag playoffs gi kod irani. Kocha margi Jafet Munala wacho ni giikore ma siro Okombe mane giloyo higa mokadho. Kar ben tuke go magi kod irani biro bedo mapek kendo ma otedore.
We are training for the final match of this year's playoffs, this season playoffs, and we are meeting a team that is experienced team, Kenya Prisons. It's going to be a tough match, but we are preparing well to see us through to win this second playoffs. So far we are working on our services, we are working on our defense, and we are working on the offense. So far so good, but we are struggling with the injuries. Our captain has a swollen knee, but we are hopeful that she will be there when we start playing these playoffs. Our right player has injured already on the plaster. Chumba is now coming back, training, overcoming her injury. So we are hopeful that we are going to play well these playoffs and be the champions again.